So before I go in, I've been holding this for so long, but I'm a whole okay. Nimescrew vibaya, but I'm so excited because like I'm a whole nisema influencer, but I'm coming on staycation, and you see this tag that is written on Instagram, the tongue paid partnership. Like in short, I'm partnering with yes, I'm partnering with someone with the hosts. I'm partnering with the yes, it's called the host, and I'm rambling just a lot because I'm so excited that as someone amesema tu Zipi anafanya kazi mzuri, acha nifanye nini cha nimuengage. Anyway, acha tuingie ndani. Sawa, tuingie tuende. I'm so excited.
You're like a river in the dark. You steer me right, you lit the spark.
Na uko Naidu. Yeah. Ako kanjia before Naidu. Yeah. Si kuna kanjia on your right. Hiyo maram. Hapo ni how much? Oh. Okay, sawa. Aya. Oh, ni hapa? Hapa. Sorry. Oh, ulikuwa nadhani ni ile huko mbele? Atengita pale. Oh, si yako. Si nikasema before tuingie Naidu kuna kanjia. Na ukaniambia tu hapo kuna kengine kanaendana kwa hiyo hapo karibu na pamoja. Oh. Pia yuko on your right. Yeah. Sasa hapa tutaita aje? Kama hapa sasa. Oh, huko ni sasa ndio mtu asipotee unaisema aje? Ni hivyo tu, ni before night. Okay. Okay, sawa.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands.
Oh my goodness. Inakaa poa. Guys, do you see the chair? Do you see the mat? Oh. It screams fancy, bro. Fancy. The curtains see. Maze, I like the way the host has amekala combine bana, kuna ka gray bana. See the chair, maze. Maze, it's so fancy. See the decor. Oh, it looks so nice. Oh, they even have games. Oh my goodness. For those that don't want to watch TV, bravo, see the TV. Like I'm this. It's so good. For those that love plants, here are your plants. Here are others. There are others. Oh, I've just seen a chandelier. Oh, never need a smart man. It screams fancy. There's a clock again. Oh my my goodness. Ah, it looks so fancy, right? So let's go in. Go kwa my rooms. Tutali bana. Aya, chaka kabag kango. Aya. Oh, inakaa supu. Kuna kioo manze, kuna kioo. Okay, we continue. See the light. Manze, there's another beautiful light here. Oh, this place is manze. We go. Mirror on the wall. Who's more pretty? Oh, so good. It looks so nice. Oh, we even have shoes. Varieties. Kuna hizi. This ones. These ones. Let's go with maroon. It's a bold color. It is. Which guest? Which host? Atakupatia hivi. Maze. We continue with our tour. We continue. Oh, my heart is at home. I'm guessing this is the master bedroom, but it's going to be a master bedroom. So, the chandelier, the bed. Oh, guys. The plants. Oh, I think this one is now my favorite. Oh, I cannot lift it. Anyway, another decor. Guys, there's a laundry basket here. There's a table, and then there is more plants, more, and then the bed. Oh. And it's very comfortable. It is very comfortable. It is very comfortable, guys. Very comfortable. So nice. And then there are storages here. They have hangers, extra towels, fluffy white towels, man. Fluffy white. They smell amazing. We are home. Tuko nyumbani bana. We are home. Extra storage. And then there is a mirror. They love mirrors. And then, yeah, some cotton thingies za kutoa uchafu kwa masikio. Extra storage. But overall, it's so nice. Then this is extra storage again. We've already said that storage. So let's go to another room. So another room. Chandelier, bana. Another bed. This is the second room. And then something that caught my eye. They have where you can work. Like, and it was not a joke. This chair is so comfortable. For those that work from home, you have a space bana. Si lazima uende sitting room kila masaa. A study table. More plants bana. This is interesting. This is so nice. Like the one you saw in the sitting room, but that is liquid. This is so beautiful. Tatuweke hivi. Ni the other way. Sorry. Hivo. Then the bed. Let's test it out. These beds are so comfortable, man. Leo unalala huko, kesho unakuja unalala hapo. Mamchana. My goodness. This is perfect. Study table again. Oh, sorry. Side table. The carpets are nice. They're very nice. See the other carpet. You saw the others for the room. Then they have an iron box here. Storage. Towels. The other room there was white. only. They smell amazing. White and gray. Then we have extra blanket, some vitambas, mirror, steel, manze. Then extra storage. Yeah, that's room 2. Back to the mirrors. We have a shower. Nakwambia naenda kuoga hapa ning'are. I love this sun. And then the fact that they have this, it was gonna pegs. They have where you hang your towel. That's so nice, man. That's so. Nimefika! Dada yenu amefika! Aya, another one. Oh, their washroom. It's so nice. Oh, they have air freshener. Variety. Si hata moja, bro. Mingi. The washroom is nice. They have a mat here. Naambia fancy. Fancy being fancy. Their sink. You put your toothbrush, the serviettes and your thingies. This is so perfect. So the last room, let's go. It's a kitchen, obviously. So for those who love cooking, dispenser, fridge, and then we have this plastic thingy. The fruits, and I love the fact that see blue, it's clear white. That's it. It's so precious. We have a cooker for those that love cooking. Then when you're on a gray, you shall notice gray. We have a mat there. Then we have a kettle, microwave where to put fruits, and then kitchen towel, serviettes. I said fancy, did I not? Anna? This looks so fast. See this opener. Hey, what? Tajionea mambo watu wangu. Then we have drinking chocolate, spices, richo gold, spices, sugar. And then we have this one. So it looks like an egg. But toothpicks. Hey! Perfect. And then we have where to put utensils, shower, the sink, and then more utensils. Maze. Kwenye unapenda kupika msishangae, mnaweza pika bana. And then more spices for you to cook. Kuna sukari huko, more things to cook. See, she got you covered, bana. Plates, cups, sorry. See? They're fancy. Those things za kuwekela ndio chai simwagike ama juice. I've never seen that. We even have a stool for your guests. Kama unataka kupika nini wengi. You see? Unataka kupika chakula watu wengi. And then we have organized forks, knives. Oh my goodness. Wenye mnakula sana, kuna ina hapa for you. That is good. That is good. Be respectful, give thanks, and say, please, thank you. Oh my goodness, that's so great. Like, that's so perfect. Don't you think? Napenda niko na mimi. Haya. Let's see where this leads to. This view is amazing. Then guys, there, over somewhere there, it's Del Monte Farm. One that is in Thika. So you have great views, bana. Manze, isn't it amazing?
down. I could take you on a cruise if you're down. I might put her ass on snows if you're down.